Where's Gigi?
Gigi delivered the baby.
Where are they?
Well, there was something wrong. The baby. It was just the way she looked, so we bundled her up and then Gigi took her.
What do you mean she took her? Where?
To the hospital.
There's 4 feet of snow out there.
She wasn't driving. She was walking.
She just took the baby through the snow.
Well, it's not like I could go. I can barely even sit up.
I'm not blaming you.
Well, then go. Find her. Get the baby. We're gonna be okay. Okay, we just have to take it really slow. Really slow. This lake has to be frozen solid, right? It's been so cold. You know, I remember this book I used to love. It was about the pioneers, and they used to drive their wagons across ice. And if that ice could hold a team of horses, it can hold us. Okay, God, you said Rex, and that was great, and he wasn't totally mad, which was even better, but he's worried about the baby, and Gigi, and so am I. So if you could please just make sure he finds them, gets them to the hospital. Just save Sarah Rose.
Enough of this weather already. I can't. Stacy! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ow! 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 What? What is it?
Oh, Kimmy, I never thought I was gonna see you again.
I know. Me too.
I had the baby.
What?
No, for real, I had the baby.